welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know I've been slacking. Sorry I missed last Thursday's upload, but if you're here now, that's all that matters. We're back on the regular scheduled program, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my wedding dress shopping experience. Now, I've been married for about 6 months now, and I actually went shopping for my dress about a year ago, almost exactly a year ago. It was January 28th, 2018. So we're around that area, but then we're also around Valentine's Day, so I was like, ooh, love is in the air. Ooh, let's celebrate love. So why not do a wedding planning series? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But in this video, I am just showing you guys the vlog that I did when I went wedding dress shopping. It was a pretty easy process for me. I fell in love with the dress like instantly. So if you are planning a wedding or plan to get married or eventually are going to be shopping for a dress, just know that when you put on your perfect dress, it's a feeling that you get. And before I went wedding dress shopping, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna feel anything. Like, this is what I want, this is how I want it to look, and this is how it's gonna look, okay? I can honestly say that when I put on the dress that I ended up choosing, I felt like that was the dress. Like, that was the most perfect dress. Everything I wanted in it, it was that. It was just, you'll see in the video, like, my mood goes from like here from when I tried on that dress to like, this is cute. Yeah, I don't know. And then I ended up going back to that dress. But before we get started, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down yonder, right there or wherever it is down here. And without further ado, let's go wedding dress shopping. Today is a very special day. I'm going wedding dress shopping. This is the first time I'm trying on dresses, so it should be interesting. But first, coffee. Here we go. Yeah. All right, you guys. We are getting started. I'm so nervous. I don't know. Sorry.
So you're aiming more of a mermaid?
I want something like form-fitting. And then, like, yeah, so I guess that is
I still like it. Well, it could be form-fitting-ish.
I'll wear this. You'll wear this. This is kind of really thin. Bridal shower, nice and fit. And then this can come. The ivory is throwing me off. It looks like this way. This was 3,000. We've even got lots more up the ramp. Alfred has offered as my wedding present. Oh, that's really pretty. Why is it covered? Is it like special?
I think it's the veil.
This is the veil, yeah?
I don't know.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's very similar to the one.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah, no, that's
kind of,
cute.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll try that one. We could try that one. The color, she said some of them are just ivory, but they have the white option. But it's just
Yeah, ivory
Yeah, we'll
white.
go with that.
So like what you and I think, like this is actually ivory, but you would
okay.
think it's white.
So what is this color?
This is more in their blush champagne family. Yeah.
Okay.
This is very nice.
Let's head up.
I can't even walk in this already.
Well, you gotta pick it up.
She put the best one on first. I know. I already like it.
No crying. Oh my. Okay, so follow me.
This is lovely.
Yes, it is one I picked out.
It's like already perfect. Woo! Crystal!
She's gonna cry.
It's gonna be hard to follow that one.
I know. I really like this one.
You got your beading.
So time to go to lunch or? I'm just kidding.
So easygoing.
No, I really like all the shiny up here.
Yep.
It's not. It's enough see-through. It's not too much see-through.
Is this a two-piece one?
This is just one piece, but it's kind of nice because you kind of get stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Crystal.
You want to look back?
Oh, my heart is bumping. Like I'm much tired.
It is beautiful.
Pictures if you want.
August, so she needs.
Oh yeah, you need to.
Okay, so step up on the back. We're gonna reclip you.
Yeah, we're gonna show you that.
Yeah, does the train hook?
Yes, it does. They all do. Matter of fact, Sonia. Oh, okay. Just what she does. Look, this. Do we have it?
Oh yeah, I've got all the
Can
clips.
you grab the heels out of my purse?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could change the color.
Yeah, of course.
The reaction wasn't as
It's a little quieter in here.
I think it's just harder would not be
Yeah.
like
That's what
I like it this way because this one goes down. Like it's not like a dead stop. Like with the other one, like the jewels and stuff just stopped. You know what I'm saying?
There's some applique, but I see what you're saying.
Like that one kind of goes.
Yeah.
I feel like the other one is
I think it hit her in all the right.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, can you pay for my boob job before?
You don't need one.
Yes.
Take some from me.
Oh, well, this is just because it's too big. Yeah, because this is a good size for you.
Yeah, like I feel like it needs to be.
And it's just a true fitted. Well,
Yeah, it should be down.
yeah,
That's as far as it doesn't do.
it's kind of hiding you.
I don't. It's pretty, but I don't
It's
like
not
it.
dramatic. It's not crystal.
It's not, yeah.
No, it's not crystal.
It's too like traditional.
Yeah.
It's like expected of you.
It's a wedding dress.
And how much is the veil?
The
Veil is $9.54. This is.
All right, you guys, we're at location number 2. I think I found the dress, but we have to try another place first. So, did we find the dress? Everyone thinks we found the dress, but I have to try another. Mom, did I find the dress? Yes, she did. Oh my god.
It's like we got a second contender. I don't know why that sounded so awkward when I said it out loud.
It's just like this is. I love the detail. Yeah, the top. I really like the straps on the other one.
Yeah, and I don't.
But the train is perfect. Like
I love.
You don't like it?
So. I love from West down.
And the other one was backless. This one has sheer on it.
I feel like maybe I'm thinking. I feel like the other one's more unique compared to this one. I guess I don't feel like this is a unique dress. You know what I'm
We
saying?
have two fields that like this.
Did you pick this?
You're sparkly.
No, it is nice.
This is very. Yeah.
I don't like the train though.
You don't like the train?
It's not long enough.
It's not like yeah.
What about the style?
See, like this is better when I'm talking about the neckline, yeah. And then like the thinner strap, like I like that.
See, those straps are on you.
Yeah. Those straps are better. Can you do a build dress? And I feel like in white it would be
That's the point.
a lot because it's sparkly under too. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, we see the sparkles.
Yeah.
I bet if you take a picture, you'll see the sparkles.
But not as much.
Like on this.
Perfect.
I feel like that feels very similar.
Yeah, the line is very similar to
one,
the
yeah.
It's very, very similar.
Yeah. Well, I will tell you, Essence of Australia, Martina Liana, and Stella York are all the same company.
Oh,
So
okay.
you're going to see similar styles and cuts and fabrics and things like that among the three because they all share, one design house.
What don't you like about the train? It's really pretty. It's just not long enough.
Yeah.
Taking over the vlog.
The bomb cousins had us up.
Oh, that's pretty. It's a process.
It has to be the same lace on the train.
Because then you take that coat thing off, and then you take your veil off, and that's your reception dress.
Yeah.
بس كل ما تطولي الترين كل ما هتلمي في الاخر عشان تبقى.
Oh, wow. See, yeah.
That's really.
I feel like that's exactly what you want to.
So I'm confused.
Only if that was 360.
With that dress, or why is it on that dress? Is that the dress?
Just because we like the top.
Like the,
feed it.
What are we doing about the bottom of the dress?
What do you mean? Oh, like as she's asking, like, is this the full dress, or are we just like? Yeah, this is two separate pieces.
Oh, I know, but is this the dress?
She's saying this is
If
too.
we take it off, it would be with this
She
dress.
would wear that
Yeah.
to church and then take it off to the reception.
Like, see, yeah, I like
This
this.
looks less unique. I mean,
Makes you look like Nicki Minaj in the booty.
I was gonna say less.
I know.
And then for the reception, it would be just the bottom.
So do you like the dress that's under?
Yeah.
Thinking of putting
So that's the dress you'd want to wear to your reception? Or are you just
I
getting an
wouldn't want
idea of
this
it?
Pinned up, like this dress pinned up for the reception would be fine. Because I like the bling. Like, the reason why we didn't like this dress is because this was too plain. Like, this was just whatever. Is this train the cut? Like, is this matching the color, or am my eyes doing something weird? Like, is this the same?
No, they're
It's
not
that
the
one.
same
No,
color.
it's pretty much the same. This is a beige and this one's a Moscato, but we can do it in
All
all
white.
Yeah,
All white.
all white.
And that would be like incredible.
Because the train eyes blink.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, get like glitter. Just go.
There's a satin skirt that I have too. It's just plain though.
No.
Yeah, no, I like the detail, like the extra detail.
It's lace compared to really beads
Then-
or no?
No, well, we'd probably like
And now
if we and then
We're back to the first dress.
والطرحة ولا لا؟ نفس الطرحة ولا لا؟
okay, now I want to see it. Yeah. I'm saying yes to the dress. I can't believe it.
Champagne sounds great.
Are you tearing up?
Yeah.
Get the crying
Yes, yes, yes.
Makeup. Okay.
My dress. We are back to the present, back to 2019. That footage was almost like what, over a year ago now, close to almost exactly a year ago, and here I am with my wedding dress. It's so pretty. I wish I could just wear this. Honestly, I've been thinking about, do I want to sell it? Do I want to keep it? But now just looking at it again, I think I want someone to like make it into a regular dress, because I love the top of this dress and the detail. Like, this is my baby. I just want to go to sleep in it and shower in it and live in it and eat in it. And oh, I love everything about this dress. Like, it was just the one for me. As you guys saw in the video, I put this on and I was like, whoa, this is it, people. Like, this gave me ooey gooey, butterfly, OMG, all types of feels when I put it on. So I was like, yeah, this is it. I know this is it, because after I tried on this dress, every other dress I tried on, I didn't get that feeling. I was like, oh, this is cute, but it just wasn't like, it didn't scream at me. It didn't make me feel any type of way. This one made me feel some type of way, if you know what I mean. This is designed by Martina Liana. It is an Australian designer. It took about 6 to 8 months for this dress to ship, and I had exactly 6 to 8 months before my wedding, so I was like kind of freaking out, but luckily everything came in time. It literally came in, I think, 4 weeks before my wedding, and I still needed alterations, so it was like kind of tight, but we made it happen. It was no big deal. If you're wedding dress shopping, at least go 6 to 8 months before. Like, this was a little special case because it came all the way from Australia. They didn't have any in the States. So if you're considering, you know, doing that, I would just be safe and go 8 months prior, just in case your dream dress happens to be from the other side of the world. Be prepared. But this is my dress, you guys, and then I would show you my shoes. I wore these shoes. These were my wedding shoes. My lovely aunt gifted these to me. These are Jessica Simpson's. I don't know where she got it from, but it has like this like rhinestone detailing all around, and I'm just all about my bling and my shine, and clearly like that was just what I wanted. I had like subtle bling and shine here. And then for my veil, I actually got it custom made. I ended up not going with the like $1,200 veil that they had in the store. As you saw my reaction, I was like, woman, how much is the veil? This is a piece of fabric. So I ended up finding someone else to make it custom for me. It was 13, was it 13 foot long? Yeah, 13 feet long. It was a really, really long veil. It was really heavy. I remember it like pulling my head back when I was walking down the aisle. I was like, but that's besides the point. I could go into so much detail about my wedding in general. If you guys are interested in hearing more about my wedding, what went right, what went wrong, what I wish I would have done instead, or like what I could have done better now that I've done the wedding itself, looking back at it. So let me know in the comments down below. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video, and before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would love for you guys to join my familia here on the internet, which I love you guys. Thank you so much for everyone that has been commenting, watching, liking, subscribing, everything. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.